viewers, and welcome again to another edition of your favorite program called Talk to the Camera with me, Kona Sise. Viewers, the camera they work out with you on the streets of Freetown for talk to citizens of Salone concerning one slogan where people can normally say, "Na politics, na impoel Salone." We want to know from the people of Salone, what do they think about this? What do they feel say this mean where people can normally say, "Na politics spoil Salone," and also the message of love when they send to viewers them out there. Hello, sir, and welcome to this interview. Go please tell me your name.
My name is Almami Ibrahima Samora.
Mr. Samora, plenty people can use one statement saying that politics don't spoil Salone. What you go say about this?
Well, to my own view, I go say na correct statement in the use. Because what you make as a citizen of your country, you make correct statements say pertaining development and go tell you say you belong to one side. Anything we say about we not about the country, we not true. Somebody go say about this it belong to one side. Yes.
So who's part them especially in a Salone where you see say politics don't go inside where not be supposed to be so?
Well, you get several institutions in this country where politics they inside. Because like I'm not going to name institutions in the country, but to we own behaviors and way they see the institutions and the way they operate, they see like government institutions and politics they inside the plenty institutions in.
So you feel say this is now way where it hinder the progress of the institution there?
Then I'm sure. Now I'm party thing and the way they hinder the success of Salone. Because everybody they look and say because of another party blue or another party white, then I not deserve for do anything better.
So what do you feel need for be done in order for see that an end come to this issue?
Well, we got several advice and the way they don't give you. People and the way don't they before we wouldn't live before we wouldn't tell we but cooking and they concerning the attitude towards yourself in the country. We get plenty thing and they for put in place. We need for the behave to say fine because as a citizen for little country get for go before. We get beaucoup thing never do. But the first priority never low change your attitude towards yourself.
So what you go be find out to viewers about loving your country first before any other political party?
Like me, I don't know for other person, but like my own religion, I get one believe in say where you love your country, na part of worship. So I dey tell anybody say we na Sierra Leone and forget Salone at heart, get your company at heart. Anything way they do, get for be love and caring towards your company.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello, sir, and welcome to this interview. Do please introduce yourself.
Me na Mr. Johnson. Me na a professional driver.
Mr. Johnson, plenty people can use one slogan saying that politics don't spoil Salone. What do you go say about it? You feel say this still they be?
Of course, with the sham, by how things they go presently, with this plenty interference from the government side. For instance, you go in your office, you don't make certain decisions for discipline certain people. You see, you get called, or somebody, they send somebody to you, say no, this decision, you go for pause and force. And by doing so, how the country go before? Okay, you left yonder. Another instance again. Police go to execute their duty. Just imagine police executing duty. Done, a call from above. The man just begin make easy pan waiting the operation will go pan. You see, done some area in the way you see say biased decision can take place. Like some issue in a court. You see say this issue in a court at this time, really they show biasness. And waiting they cause that. Past and tell you say this man get influence na so party, get influence with so person. Automatically that person they self will not get influence, he don't suffer. All them things they suffer around this country. Right. You see?
They suffer around the country. So how you especially the particular part where you feel say this they create an hindrance to the progress of Salone?
One, they create an hindrance to the development of this country. You see? Certain people and they based on experience, like still now sometimes some man don't come out abroad, he come around, but sometimes he not get influence within the present government or among the big guns them. He get issue with somebody, based on the way them go treat them because he not get that influence, they automatically waiting to see that money do. Now go. Even if he bring investment, if they pack quality go, say this place is not safe for me, or this place not conducive for me, now go. And how long go they pan kind thing they? Then they don't bug so many people in this country. We don't see 2-3 people away, they don't bug. Good people in the camp, but based on them thing they go. They tell you say, me, this place is not conducive for that invest.
How long we go dey for this na this country, as you say? So what if you say need for be done for ladies come to an end?
Well, everybody get for come together, and that's my own advice. Everybody get for come together. If you don't see a politician, make sure say you don't interfere na the next man in area. As long as na the right thing the man they do, not begin cut out say, oh, you go control area where you no concern. You see, area where you no concern, you no go control it. And that man in a professional, don't get any job. You want act professionally. You be guns or whosoever you be, you know, come another man you don't feel for come control. No, this na my interest. Left this man. Now my interest is no. Then style then they identity they do about this country. Plenty. And by doing so, go before. You see, plenty down about this country. We don't see them. You will see somebody, two people that will get, for instance, like the other instance, people that will get land issue. The one in gets a very strong backing from the political wing. The other man in a just a poor man, he gets all the necessary documents, where not authentic documents, but based on the other side, we will get that strong influence from the government or from whosoever. You will see, even if they go to court, you will see how the justice could do. Or you see people in Canada land, say, Paddy, not so you get this land. This land you get for left here now, so person get them because that money don't go work outside for worker. For pull up poor man and you side day.
You don't talk plenty to get for do the justice system na salon. Finally, what you go be you want to the justice system na salon?
Well, like from your own side, waiting I dey advise everybody. Let's focus for develop this country. Let's put politics aside. Let's just left that political business. Let's all come together for development of salon. Now the one country this will get. And the only salon this will get na the whole world. No way, no day, na the only salon this. And now we go for development. Let we left selective justice. Selective justice now want to about this country. Plenty. Let's left them by nest and day. Let's all come together. If you know say area we know to area or you get influence past somebody, no go bully him. Let's left that bully, that ideology of would they bully this now party now? Would they bully him? Me I not talk of a particular party, I talk of all sides. You see, it all left that ideology. They say, hey, now we party now well, now they can show something, now bully him. No. Their style and they're not correct. Everybody they suffer in this country.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you to you. Welcome.
Hello, sir, and welcome to this interview. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Ralph Shekafosona.
Mr. Yugo, please tell me, what do you think about the slogan where people can normally say, "Na politics don't well salon"?
Indeed, we look at them, line already. Because of the things that we surround, we don't take politics past the country, we don't take politics past ourselves, we don't take politics past many things. Understand? And the way and manner how politics don't go on in this country for a very long time now. Indeed, politics don't divide we by region. Politics don't divide we by tribe. Politics don't divide we by so many things. We make that slogan in place, say, politics don't well salon. And I believe so everybody getting right for belong. If that man belong na green, the other man belong na red. I believe say that one enough for bring enmity. That one enough for being difference. All man get what he like. Everybody getting color we like. The only thing way important before be united as a Sierra Leonean, and the first thing that we always think, put the country first, think like Sierra Leonean, do things like Sierra Leonean. Where you see your brother Sierra Leonean or your sister, una treat yourself as one. You understand? Regardless of religion, tribe, or region. When we begin to think as Sierra Leonean, we should self like brothers and sisters. I believe say Salon go before for the betterness of we all. But we'll get a political myopic way of thinking because this man they green, the other man they red. If you say we all two not for associate, we not for discuss, we not forget a better discussion whether things they go wrong in the country because of this man in political party they na power. Or na your own political party in power, you always stay in line of the wrong things that would happen. So indeed, politics don't well Sierra Leone.
One school of thought go talk say this dey happen because when this particular party dey na power, in followers dem dey treat the other one wey no dey na power. So when dem self calm, dem go repeat the same action. What do you think about this?
Of course, in a nutshell, when you look at them, it don't dey happen. Not to now. But this time around, what me see is worse than ever. I don't ever see in my life. The kind marginalization, the divide. People they look you come be Sierra Leonean, you get mind for do a wicked thing their way. If you go to other man country self, you know get mind behave so. Or you see foreigner, you know it's like how they treat you Sierra Leone brother or sister, which is bad. If you know this man in party be in a power, during them period and they do something will go against your feelings. Let bygone be bygone. When you party come, treat them in a way that way, it go look you like somebody, it go look you as mentor. Sometimes you can able to buy in waiting over to your own political party, but not with wickedness. When they wicked somebody, if they do and bad, if you say for go join you side, no, I don't feel say that one they correct.
So finally, what will be word of advice about love for show love so you can't be Sierra Leonean and for love your country?
Well, basically, as a Sierra Leonean, my country come first. I like my country, I like my community, I like my people. As a Sierra Leonean, we think we make we united, and we will put all political waiting behind we see we country first. Anything we do them like Sierra Leonean, regardless region or tribe. Lord do them as Sierra Leonean, Lord love yourself. We will push Salone together, we stand, divided we fall. If we do together with all the 14 tribes that they in a Salone or 16, right? We can able to push the country for a better. But if this get divided mind, now when they get divided mind, they think say the region will come on, an important part of the mind region, which is bad. Sierra Leone will continue for go behind. I will pray to God, let give leader the direction. We leaders them. I believe so they make it a leader and for let them lead for the right thing. But if they don't come, then they lead in the wrong direction. I believe so they're far from development. For each day, I thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello sir, and welcome to this interview. Go please introduce yourself.
My name is Saido Hassan.
Alright.
I live 174 Circular Road.
Mr. Saidu, you go please tell me concerning the slogan where people can normally talk say na politics spoil Salone. What you will say about this?
As that people dey say for say Salone don't spoil, but anything na time. Anything at time. This foliar at time. Where this don't sit down, and let family sit down. All things they come to your end. Whether you don't go, you don't go. This foliar anything at time for. But tell the man he can't do better thing in the country. But some man don't know. So Lord left all things to Allah.
Plenty people don't talk so say they can normally say this because something outside person gets it right, they can normally get wrong because in all day now the political party side the other person day. What you go say about this?
Because this all thing I say don't be. Whether in your own party, then your own party, someone talk for your own party, anyone talk for your own party. But anything now patient.
So what you go talk about loving your country first before any political party?
Because now peace, all for like yourself. If you don't like yourself, the country don't spoil.
So what about loving your country for love your country?
For love your country, because all for the one word, all for the peace.
Alright. So what's going to be final word to people who they listen and watch you about peace and loving yourself and your country?
Love yourself because all for the one word. Nobody don't perfect yourself. You swallow day. Whether you don't do you, let family don't do you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to this interview. Go please introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Abdul Mansari. I dey model Newwood. I dey sell cassettes. I'm a businessman.
Abdul, what you go say concerning the slogan where people can normally talk in a politics don't spoil Salone?
Well, the slogan "a politics don't spoil Salone." Not to like how me they take them. Some of the people that they see in politics and don't spoil Salone and get a reason them. I think say maybe 50% of the one they see in politics and don't spoil Salone they right. Whereas maybe 50% of the one they see in politics and spoil Salone they wrong. Because like the way things they go, politicians they get involvement by the Salone backwardness.
How you go talk am? Why you feel say then involved?
Because like they come, we like them for campaign. They come and can't convince people and say na this we do for now, na this we do for now. But at the end of the day, they don't able to do am. So then a backwardness because we don't promise somebody say they do this for at least if you do am. But at times they come and convince you this that. But at the end of the day, they don't able to do nothing for you.
So what you go tell viewers out there about loving your country and loving your fellow citizens before you love any political party?
Well, my message out there to me people I want to make you love yourself, love respect yourself first. Don't think about politicians there. You know, life now you know about depend on politics business. The only people that go depend on politics are like the one they get connection with politicians there and they go do politics business. But like you will come up as a young man. You need for walk up, you need for straight up, you need for strike, you need for look to government, fight for yourself, and with the help of Allah, you will achieve what you want.
If you say for make am na salon as a youth, you need to get connection first before you make am?
Yes, you forget connection really, but if you connection or at least you use your effort, they still make up. But when you get connection, it will be very easy for you, especially in a salon.
So what will be your word concerning this way you don't talk, so say past you get connection for it go be easy for you for make you make am?
Well, first of all, at least they go forget about them after politics business, don't forget about politics. Now forget about them totally entirely. Because sometimes they can at tribalism, sometimes they can now way they say that you party belong, that party they belong. And if they find out say una meet up, start inside and they are not going for meet up, especially inside the Usama the money.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Viewers, una self don't listen as citizens of Salone don't talk concerning what they think say it mean for make person talk say na politics don't spoil Salone, and they also don't talk say indeed yes sir. They believe say this na true say politics na don't spoil Salone because plenty people can put politics side where it not supposed to be. And then the same message to citizens of Sierra Leone say you supposed to love your country first and love your company Sierra Leonean before you love any political party. Maybe the program can't to your name na Kona say until we meet again to another edition of Talk to the Camera. I say tata.